Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided I was a bit bored and I thought I'd come out for a bit of a drive out in the country, and my destination today will be Somerset Dam. I haven't been there for a long time, but on the way out we're driving through Kilcoy, and you obviously when you come to Kilcoy you got to take the mandatory video of the Yowie. So here we go. So here we go, Mr. Yowie. Yeah, years ago supposedly there was a Yowie sighting here, so that's why the statue's there. Years ago too, it used to be a male Yowie, but they've now made it gender neutral Yowie. So yeah, I remember the original statue. It was definitely a male. So this little park here in Kilcoy is pretty nice. It's got a really nice little dam over the back there, play area for the kids. It's all pretty nice. Anyway, I just had to stop here on the way out, so we'll see you at the dam. Bye. So just made it to the Spit, which is one of the sort of areas where you can put your boat into the dam, and it's got a few facilities here. It's got restrooms over to your right. It's got picnic areas here. You can go swimming here. It's a pretty area, this area. I've been here once before and it's developed a little bit. So it's really nice. What do we got here? Doggone it. Unfortunately, dogs are not permitted in this area. Well, woof woof to you. So anyway, this is the area, and there's a lot of people here. I was hoping there wouldn't be because, but it's school holidays, so I suppose you're going to get people everywhere. You've got a boat ramp over here and people hop in. And over here to the right is actually one of the swimming areas, and but it looks like there's a boat over there too. So, and over to my right, you can't see it yet, but there is the actual dam walls over there. I will get my drone out and fly it over there so you can see the dam wall. So anyway, I'll just pause this for now. It's a bit brown here at the moment, but it's really pleasant place. So you can't go onto here, only authorised access permitted past this point. So past that point, so I won't go to that point. I'll just come to here so you can see the water. That's all pretty cool. And a beautiful big mountain behind there. It's really nice. Yeah, warning, danger. There's crocodiles on the bank. There's crocs on the bank near the water. Yeah, I know, it's a silly joke. Anyway, this whole area here is really pretty. There is a memorial garden up here, so I might take myself up there and see what that's all about. Ulysses Memorial Gardens. I don't know what the Ulysses Memorial Garden would be for. The only Ulysses that I know is a butterfly or bikie gang. And I wouldn't think this would be named after either of those things. So the garden itself is pretty dry and barren. It's got a couple little strips of garden through here, and it takes us down to the seat, and there's a plaque down here, so it might give us the information we require about this memorial garden. Oh yes, so it is Ulysses Motorcycle Club. Our motorcycle club. Our motorcycle club Memorial Day Ode. They lived their lives disgracefully, they loved the social ride, they blessed us with their friendship, they wore the old man badge with pride. But though our friends have ridden on and crossed the great divide, their legacy inspires us yet, while in our hearts they still ride. So it is, obviously might have had some of Ulysses riders die on these windy roads up here, and this is the garden to hold their memory. This bench donated by Ulysses Ipswich branch in loving memory of the founder, Conrad Hauser Walters. Nice. So it is for the motorcycle club. Who would have figured, eh? And there's, a few more benches up here with plaques on them. I'm assuming that's for other riders who have passed on. Looks like they've got a big sort of memorial plaque up here. Memorial boards, yep. Ulysses Club Incorporated is a social club for older motorcyclists. Welcome riders aged 40 and over to join. It's formed by Stephen Durnley in 1983. Okay. And here's all of the people that have been members of that have obviously passed on. And I won't go through all of them, but there's two big walls full of people there, and over here we've got the start of some more here. That's nice. So there you have it. We're at the, it's called the Spit. And as I said, lots of facilities if you're really into going away for the day, even just going for a swim, or if you're a boatie you can come and boat here. And you know, have a barbie, kick a ball around if you want. Got a barbecue, not a barbecue area in here by the looks of things. This is undercover. This is nice. Sorry, out of order. Okay, well I won't be having a barbie today, not there anyway. You got PowerPoint there too. This one's out of order too. I wonder if it is actually out of order, or these are just kept for oh no, it's got flick pest control. They might be actually spraying around here or something, who knows. Anyway, there you have it. I'll go down the road a bit further now. I'll go down to the actual dam wall and we'll take some more footage down there. So see you there, bye. Well, it just pulled off the side of the road here so we can check out the actual dam. Somerset Dam, they started building this before World War II, and when World War II broke out, they actually stopped building it because they had to focus on the war, obviously. And I think it was in 1959, well, after the war, they started rebuilding. In 1959, I think they finished it. Here's a little sign here all about it. Laying tram lines to crusher bins in 1937. All the workshops. 1943. I think I read somewhere that it was actually completed. In 1959. I know that because that's 2 years after I was born. And okay, we've just come down the road a little bit further and actually found a better lookout to the actual wall of the dam. There's a little sign here. It was actually completed in 1959. I thought it was. And this dam was actually made really to collect water and also to stop flooding. So that's the dam, and here's the dam wall. I've just come down into the little village here. A lot of these houses were built at the time of construction of the dam. So this is little Somerset village. Cute little village. It's got little, just really small little streets and roads everywhere, and it's just really cute. I won't go up and down all the little streets, but there's some really nice little homes and little cottages tucked in here, and it'd be nice to have a little holiday home here if you wanted to get away from it all. Cute, pretty. Everyone's got cute little aspects to the house. They've done them up, and this little guy here is cute. Somerset Boulevard. It's a heritage home. Kodak supplies. It was probably the original little shops or something. So anyway, I won't keep filming everyone's house. I don't know if they would appreciate me doing that, so I'll stop now.